Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I want to start off with, and I know it's been a long time since I uploaded a video. I want to say it's been almost maybe a month and a half, 2 months. I'm not really sure exactly on the timeline. I needed to kind of sit back, kind of rethink everything, reevaluate a lot of things that have been going on. I am still investing a lot. That's one thing that I won't stop doing. I did want to say that it is very important to kind of sit back and reevaluate the things that are happening in your life. You know, with COVID-19 happening, there's a lot of friends and family getting sick, and it's really scary. And you know, taking care of yourself is one of the most important things to do. So that's what I've been doing, mentally, physically, and emotionally. I just need to make sure that me, myself, and my family, that we're good. So anyway, another thing I wanted to talk about before starting my video is I've kind of took the time that I was away from YouTube to really think about where I want this channel to go and how I want to grow. I feel that I have so many good things going on that I just want to share with everybody. And then it's not just investing, at least just not in the stock market. I want to talk about investing in yourself, investing in your family, physically, mentally, emotionally, just everything in life altogether. So with further ado, today's video is going to be a little different from the last, and from here on out all the videos will be different. I will still talk about stocks in the future, investing. There's some things that we've changed that I really am excited to talk to you about. It's going to be a longer video, but that'll be for another time. But today's video, it's going to be an unboxing, short review on this bad boy right here. Alright, so here we go. I've already taken off the plastic because, you know, that can be kind of difficult and very funny looking. So what we have here is the TOZO. That's a wireless charger. I've always wanted to have one of these, but could never really find myself to buy one. I really got sick and tired of the charging cords constantly either messing up and kind of like the wires inside just being exposed, or my phone always saying that the cord was not supported. So here's the back right here. I purchased this on Amazon. It was a 2-for-1 pretty much. Let's go ahead and get started and see what's in here. As you can see right here, there's multiple colors. I picked the, I think it was like a silver. It looked really white, so which is what I was aiming for. See here, the first thing you see is the 1-year warranty. Your basic little setup and instructions, which for something like this you really don't need to read that unless you really want to, and you're the type of person that really likes to read instructions. There you go, how about it? Alright, let's pop this open. Here's this. Right here now, this comes with the cord that attaches to the block, which by the way, that does not have that charging block. You have to have your own. And so I'm gonna take this out of here. Boom. Here's the pad right here. Now I really liked the silver around the edge and that white face. Right there, looks really nice. On the back, just got the information. Let's see. This right here, it's got the rubber pads. It's really nice. I think it's really sleek. Really cool looking. I think they did a good job. The weight to it, it's really nice. It doesn't feel flimsy. It doesn't feel like it's going to break easily. So we'll see. Well, let's go ahead and get this plugged in. Alright, so as you can see here, I've got it plugged in. It lights up green when it's plugged in to the wall. My phone, it's iPhone 8. I have a case on it that holds cards and has a magnet at the back. I don't believe it's going to charge with the case. Let's see if it does. Now if it's charging, that green light will turn blue. As you can see, it's not doing anything. See if I can do it with it open. Oh, 70% charge. It looks like it will charge with my case on. Well, let's go ahead and remove the case so we can see that color. Now, if you saw that right there, it changed color, so it was charging. Let's try this again. Boom. And it changed color to like a bluish color. Well, that's pretty cool. I like this a lot. I think it's a very sleek look. It kind of, it's very modern. I want to say the only downfall is you can't be on your phone while charging it. I mean, maybe you can if you have to do a couple things, but realistically, I'm not going to sit here and try to mess around on my phone while I'm charging it on here. I'm not really sure yet how fast it charges. Give it some time. I'll probably do another review on how well it's doing in a month or so, just to see. Other than that, guys, I really like it. I think it's a good buy. I'll post a link at the bottom to let you know where exactly I got it from. Like I said, it was Amazon, how much it is. There's different colors. It's really hard to tell off that box, but it looked like there was a yellow, orange, gray, silver, black. So it's pretty cool. Pick whatever color fancies you. Let's see, we're at 18%. I think it's pretty decent. So if this is something you've been looking for, maybe this is it right here. Give it a try. Again, it's not too expensive. I'm not sure about charging with the case on your phone. It's really going to depend on your case. Maybe if it's too thick, it won't really charge. But if you have one of these or something similar, hey, let me know in the comments what you have, you know. If you have any more questions about this, feel free to ask. I'll answer. I'll respond right away. So far, it's a go. Alright, everybody, thank you a lot for taking the time to check out this video. I hope y'all understand why there was a big gap in my videos. I hope that if you had subscribed before, that you stick around, give me a chance. I have a lot to show you. For those of you that are new, thank you too. If you have any ideas of things you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments section. I'm all about trying new things. I'm all about purchasing things. I have so many things I want to show you guys, so one video at a time, right? Anyway, thank you so much. Y'all take care of yourselves. This COVID-19 is no joke. Please tell the people you love that you love them dearly and be there for everybody. You take care, and we'll see you on the next video.